Hi, this is John with WTI, and lately I've been trying to mount on my walls a little bit of some decoration. It was a little bit plain and it didn't look good. So I found this one of these glues in one of my aids between to for me to glue these blocks. And here is the UHU Stic. So I've been using this since I was a kid, but in this case, this one works great. So what I do with this, and something that I like about this, is how easy it's just to pop in, open the cap, and apply the glue. And it's not your typical glue that is gonna fall apart out of anything. It's great because it's strong and at the same time it's stable. So if you're looking for a great glue that you can use it to uh, use it your kids, for example, to do their own crafts, or you can use it yourself to be gluing any light light things like this, like paper. This is gonna work great. Obviously, you're gonna use it with precaution because as glue is, it could be a little bit problematic, but this is a great product. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.